Hi guys, Paul is Best Free UK here, and I'm just going to play on a couple of my Amiga games. As you can see, I've just paired up the Amiga 1200. It's at the floppy insert disk screen. Obviously I've got a hard drive installed in here because I did say on a previous video that I did a while back. But the reason why it's booted to this floppy prompt is because that's what it will do every time you pair it up for the first time. So to get out of it, any Amiga owner will tell you, if you want it to boot from the hard drive when you first pair it up, just Control Amiga key and Amiga key, basically restart it with the power on, and then it should quite comfortably boot up from the hard drive. I'm not sure I do remote, it's gone from my TV. Anyway, here we are at Workbench 3.0. I would like to put eventually a Workbench 3.9 or Amiga OS 3.9 on. But yeah, anyway, we're just on about a few games today, so I think my games are in this folder. They are, yes. So I'm using a registered copy of paid for registered copy of WHDLoad, one of the most fantastic utilities for the Amiga to load your games directly from Workbench. Just gotta wait for it to finish. Have some wine, obviously. In my Amiga, I recently acquired a 8MB expansion card. So that's 8MB of mem, and obviously the inbuilt mem that's in the 1200 as standard. That's the only way forward if you're going to play games from the hard drive via Workbench, because if you got Workbench running, you're going to be using a lot of this, and half the games will not run. If not almost 90% of the games will not run from Workbench. If you want it to run from an icon like this, it just will not happen. You'll have to load it from floppy. That's why this comes in handy when you've got WHDLoad installed. The game I'm going to play first is quite an unknown one. It's one of the more recent ones, but it's really good. I like this game. It's called Naughty Ones. So as you can see, here's my WHDLoad registered to Paul Smallman. Paul is the Best for UK. Here we go. Can you hear that right? Just make sure that the volume on. I've got to find a remote for this old TV. This is quite a good game. I'm using a vintage Cheetah 125 Plus. It's the one with the old extra ZX Spectrum for the SVS1 interface. Anyway, let's start the game. I like this game, it's really good. Now this is Naughty Ones on your Amiga. Ouch! So basically it's a platformer, and you've got to watch out for everything. I don't know if you can hear that. Try and turn it up a bit for you. Good old Amiga sound, I love the Amiga sound too. So basically, shoot all these buddies, collect these discs right here, watch out for the hook. So we keep going. Oh, you bins. One good thing, at least when you die, all the baddies don't reappear. You do have to stop from being mind. Just without the baddies. And the balls will bend so you can get them from awkward places. So on to the next screen there. Ouch! Have some of that. it. There we go. I got him right there. Oh, you fuck. Oh, nearly got blasted away then. Game's very good, it's really playable, really addictive. The presentation's excellent, the music's excellent, graphics aren't bad. I'll shout through right here. It's a bit hard to get because obviously the only don't have to get him if you don't want to. Have some of that. Very good game. Yeah, if you've got the Amiga 1200, I recommend you download or buy this game. Well, you should buy it really, obviously, unless it's free there by now. It's really good. Ouch. But there we go, game over. I'm not very good at it, as you can see. What game am I good at? We'll give you a chance, don't you know? You don't have to do it with your joystick. I mean, there's a keyboard out there, you know what I mean? Anyway, there we go. I am... Oh shit, I don't know where I am. Unless that's old ones. Anyway, another good thing about the WHDLoad is you can exit back to the workbench without having to restart or shut off the Amiga. Normally it's a hotkey, I think it's F10. No, oh, there we go. So I can get straight, just like you can on a Windows computer, I can get straight back into the operating system. So the next game I'm going to, I mean as you can see with all these games, I'm not going to make a video of all these games because that would take probably 24 hours or some shit like that. So the next game I'm going to put on is going to be a little bit of, let's have a look what we got here. As you can see I haven't rehearsed this video. It's going to have to be Lethal Weapon. And I'll tell you why in a second. So we'll load up Lethal Weapon. So this is from 1992 Ocean. It tells you on that WHDLoad which button to press to quit. This is an old game for the Amiga that was based on the movie obviously, but it wasn't exactly much like the movie at all. Well, there's a reason why I especially love this game on the Amiga. It's the soundtrack. It's one of the best soundtracks I've ever heard in my life. If you start the mission 1, it just deserves a good volume on this one, all the way to the top almost. This is a look. Let's turn it down a bit actually because the sound comes. Oh! This is Lethal Weapon. It's very atmospheric. Yeah, one of my favourite Amiga soundtracks. Ouch! Oh shit! Oh, you fall right in. The sharks and everything. Fucking hell, I'm just a barrel now. That's not a good idea. Give some. Have some of that. As you can see, I'm doing the old-fashioned jump with the joystick and it's never easy. Can't stand that close to the barrel. Oh, you can die. Oh shit. You can do some more from the barrel. Have some of that. I'll use the lifts right here. You've got no health and safety guards on them lifts, have they? we keep going. Oh, you fuck. Try that again, shall we? It's not easy to jump with a 2.5 joystick. It really isn't. How somewhere. Keep going. Oh shit. You find dynamite before Jesus Christ trying to blow the whole kingdom. Cool. Try going down here. Freaking cool from there, didn't I? Oh shit. Oh, you piss. Fucking secret wall, secret path right there. Anyway, so that's lethal weapon. You can press F10 to quit, like it said before I started it. So what else we got that we're going to have a look at? There's loads on here, man. I've got to show you a bit of Super Stardust. This was actually released for the 6800 ECS Amiga, the Amiga 500 Plus, or 500 or 600 or whatever you want to call it. And I can't see that much difference between that version and the AGA version. Maybe it's got more colours. This is Super Stardust, the AGA version. Nice glass of wine. The Star Wars feel to the start of the game. Let's just get into the game. So basically this is an asteroids clone, but much more advanced than asteroids. The music's good on this, just like the mouse to make the games. Let's start the game. Okay. So basically, got a rave techno here. One thing I do like about this is you can't hold down fire. You have to keep pressing it like that, which is a shame. Oh, you can. Sorry, I'm wrong. Got that wrong, didn't I? Have some of this. The asteroids themselves look very good. It looks like it uses similar technology to what maybe Donkey Kong Country did on the Super Nintendo. Rendered sprites or something, I don't know. But yeah, there we go. Nice full screen, which is rare for the game. Have some of that. Yeah, completed the first level. Right, we'll load up the next level. Obviously, if you're playing this from the floppy, you'll be swapping discs and all sorts. Okay, doesn't seem to be when we get to the next level. Maybe it's still loading. I think we've got a crash here. Okay, I don't know what happened then, unless I was just impatient. Other games we've got is, there's loads on here. You want to see Turbo Outrun? I'm sure you do. Now originally this isn't really capable of running on Amiga 1200, but WHDLoad takes care of that as well. It can even emulate a 1.3 base machine on the fly, so you can load the game just by the click of a button, which is really good. The if you've got an Amiga 1200 with a hard drive, or even an Amiga 600 of hard drive, WHDLoad is seriously recommended. So there we go, conversion of the 54 coin machine, which actually was just a standard Outrun machine, but with an additional daughter board in it. Now a lot of vendors took that board out apparently because they didn't like the ran too fast on them. There we go. As you can see, it's got the Amiga notorious small screen. Shame. A pretty what looks like to be rushed conversion of the arcade corner. Oh, Ouch. If I'm honest, I think the Commodore 64 version's slightly more advanced than this version. The Commodore 64 version was really weird. It was unique. It wasn't that faithful to the original. It was like almost a completely different game. And it had some great music. I know if they tried, they could have made a Amiga port. I'm not saying it's a bad game, but they could have made a Amiga port better if they really tried. Please. Oh shit! I got overheating my turbo. Anyway, that's turbo 81. So I might as well try another one. What else we got? Got a lot, too many on here to even look at. There's loads. I'll give it a bit of Jaguar XJ2200. Another one I remember as a youngster. With our Jaguar from Core Design. Here it comes. It's almost like Core Design's version of Lotus, like a rival game. Here it is. Check out them alloys. Got more like really spinning fannies. So we keep going. A start game. I love this music, I remember it. Check out the Amiga, man. It really excelled in its music. You try comparing the FM synthesis from either Mouse Semcar to the PC at that time, there was no competition. So we type in our protection, obviously. So anyway, we keep going. All these icons we indicate. I think I've got to press that. Oh yeah, I'll press that. Nope, okay. Put my name in, of course. Press that. Yeah, so you can tell it's like Lotus because you can choose your music. There's some good music on here actually. I think you got to press play. Yeah! Wow! That one will do. Oh, you fuck. No! I want that one. Huh? What are you doing, you dick? I want that one. I want that one. There we go. So, the first track is England. So we got England, mild British weather, but watch out for major roadworks. Was it raining?
Start your engine.
Here we go. Well, this is like...
Go!
Yeah! Fucking cruising there. Check out the speed. I'm gonna beat you lot. Yeah. Yeah, in your Ferrari. Oh shit. Whoa. 13th, man, I'm getting there. Oh shit. Anyway, that's Jaguar. I'll show you a couple more and then we'll end the video. What else have we got on here? Oh, Parasol stars. We'll end the video with Parasol stars. This is brilliant, this is. Arguably, I can't even say the word. Arguably the best conversion of the game. Coin up machine, Bubble Bobble 3 or Rainbow Islands 2, whichever way you want to look at it. The Amiga version of this is like a true classic, even the floppy drive game version was excellent. Great for 2 players. Have some of this. Oh, you fucking hell, I'm shit at games these days, aren't I? Oh, come on. Okay, that's not even funny now. I love the music. Of course, just like most good games, it was ported to many systems. But I think the Amiga was probably the granddaddy of it. Have some of that. Whoa, I thought I was on piano here. There's always chaos going on. Oh shit, get that heart. Want the heart. Yeah. No, it didn't do anything. I thought it was going to be an extra life or something. Have some of that. It's great fun if you play this on 2-player. It really is. Oh shit. Have some of that. It really demonstrates some of the Amigas being able to handle a lot of things at once on the same screen capabilities without flickering. Nintendo Entertainment System, but that was an 8-bit machine in all fairness. Oh shit, have some of that. Spinning fannies everywhere, man. Shit. Oh, you fuck. Yeah, chaos. Organised chaos. It's not organised though, is it? It's not the bloody Olympic opening ceremony, dickhead. Shall we keep going? Have that banana, thank you. Oh, that ice on it. Yeah, there we go. What are these balloons doing? What are them balloons doing? More oil. Shall we keep going? Oh shit. Do grand piano start for revenge. Right, I'll show you a grand piano. You can pick up these and shoot them. You can pick up the bodies. I'll get you in a minute. Oh shit! Want that heart? There we go. See the way I can kill them? Have some of that. Oh shit. Yeah, it's really fun, really addictive this game is. If you spend hours on this, you probably wouldn't go to work because the amount of hours you spend on it. You probably forget what time it is. There's millions of levels as well. It's not just like a 2-hour and you finish. But it probably is actually, depending on the type of game you are. Oh shit, all these triangles coming to get me. So I need to eat that pizza. Oh shit. Ah! Oh, there's my heart again. Hey! Well, that's a couple of Amiga games for you. And on that note, we can conclude by saying a goodbye and quit. And it won't let me quit yet. There are 2 workbench launched programs, apparently so. Goodbye, down.